Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Marmalead and Everbee. Marmalead and Everbee are both tools designed to help Etsy sellers grow their shops, but they work in different ways and suit different needs. Marmalead focuses mainly on keyword research. It helps sellers find the right keyword to use in their product titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps listings rank better in Etsy search results. Marmalead shows how popular a keyword is, how much competition it has, and how shoppers interact with it. It also offers tips on improving SEO, pricing, and listing quality. It's great for sellers who want to focus on Etsy SEO and improve their existing listings. However, Marmalead doesn't provide much help with product research or finding new ideas. Everbee, on the other hand, is more about product research. It helps sellers discover which products are trending and what's selling well on Etsy. You can view data like estimated monthly sales, revenue, and listing age. This makes it easier to decide what kind of products to sell. Everbee also includes a keyword tool, but is not as advanced as Marmalead's. Still, it's a good choice for beginners or anyone who wants to explore new product ideas based on real data. So, if your main goal is to improve your Etsy SEO, optimize your listings, Marmalead is a better option. But if you want to find out what's selling and get ideas for new products, Everbee is more helpful. Many sellers even use both together, Everbee for product research and Marmalead for keyword optimization. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.